Hey y'all, I wasn't able to get my new Orbic laptop to charge using my older surge protector, so I plugged this one into it, which you're not supposed to do, I guess, according to the instructions for this, because they say it's daisy chaining, which is, I didn't know that was the name, and don't do that. But it worked. It charged my laptop, and the only thing I thought was weird was, or I think is weird, is the lights are only turn on if you have it the button pushed to reset. So that's interesting.